Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. ADA sells off a little bit further. We've seen that already in yesterday's update that probably we are working here on wave 5 to the downside. So one more low was and is expected. So it might just need a little bit, might just need to go a little lower really to complete this. However, an overall corrective structure, an overall three-wave structure, A, B, C looks pretty much complete. So you know, it might, however, just need that one more tiny low to complete this correction in a perfect way. But sometimes they turn a little early. So all I want to highlight here in this video is really what are the relevant support levels, what's the relevant breakout point to the upside, and want to make you aware that this corrective structure looks pretty much complete. Yep, it could get another low, and that's sort of what I'm watching for because it would make it ideal. So I'm still focusing on further downside until I see a first indication that a low is in place, but I'm watching for bottoming structures in this region. And if you're interested to trade this, then you should be watching this structure very closely because the microstructures are very dynamic. Okay, so I think we are now very close to a potential low, but it can only be confirmed once the price gives us a signal, of course. Yeah, and that requires just close monitoring. But essentially, the price topped in a third wave here. We talked about it in previous videos. We talked about this diagonal pattern to the upside that, you know, here one more high was and still is expected, especially as the support regions are holding. Support hasn't broken, and the main support level I'm watching here is 34.5 cents. That's far away, and I don't really expect the price to get there. However, the 39-cent level is a key one that ideally also the price doesn't get to, but certainly shouldn't break below, because below that 50% Fibonacci level at 39 cents, probabilities start to reduce for a bullish turnaround. So the idea is still that, yeah, price is trending down lower, could hit that 50% Fib level there, but ideally even stays above that really, okay? And now we need to look at the microstructure to understand where exactly we are, but note that one more high is still my primary scenario into the region at the moment from what we can see, and that might change a little bit depending on where the wave 4 really finds a low, but between 84 cents and 95 cents before putting a more substantial top in place. Looking at the microstructure then, the wave 3 likely topped on the 9th of December, as you know. Then we had an A wave to the downside. You know, that all remained consistent for various weeks. This was recently changed to a triangle in a B wave. Surely other scenarios are possible, but I like the idea of a triangle here, that the B wave was a triangle. And then we are now moving down in wave C. Now that C wave could be an impulse, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or it might be an ending diagonal. Either way, the structure looks nearly complete. I'm watching for a low to form in this region. Posted that earlier today in the gold membership already on Telegram and Discord, that I'm watching for a low to form in this region because we're at the key support level. Yeah, I want to explain that again. But also, you know, this ABC structure is now a three-wave move. And okay, it might get one more low, but you have to consider that this wick, you know, sometimes when you have a long wick like that or a long candle, the next low might not go just below that, because this was sort of an exaggeration, you could say, and we have to then consider this as a truncation, which means that the wave 5 doesn't have enough, let's say, bearishness anymore, you know, to really form that lower low. We'll see, but certainly we already see a small green candle there, but I'm watching for a low in this region. We have reached, we have potentially formed 5 waves down. Yeah, it would still look better with another low, but we'll see. And again, until it breaks above certain levels I will talk about, we cannot confirm a low in place anyway. But I'm watching for a low to form. And again, anybody who is interested in trading ADA should monitor the region very, very closely. Key support is around 50.4, 50.5 cents. I mentioned that in yesterday's video. So the price reacted to that zone or level. Below that level, we have 47.66 and 43.5 cents as next key support levels. It would take a break above at least that wave 4 high to suggest a low is in. That's at 58 cents. Better would be a break above the wave 2 high at 61.8 cents. And obviously, if we take all these other highs out, probabilities will increase. But So far, it seems to already react to that zone. Now, what we can also do is to draw a trend line here. And at the moment, it's not broken, but the price might try to break that trend line. That would be an indication that it might at least try to test that region around 57, 58 cents. So that's my update about ADA. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.